Hakisnem balalait ke Central Recruitment Board CRB jong ke Meghalaya Police kalamat ki babon ki jing'e bat mentah ki kwa ban long ki Husiar bat kamtam ki samla wat kam ki bakwa ban tep kam Pulit haki jaka basa theli ki balong hadu arjar kendai spa ru prateli kabala pen benaru dekat Pulit Deputy Inspector General DIG bat udkot ke CRB Davis Marak ulaong haki kato katne ki jingjia kin sadon kato katne ki Briew ki ban kam ba Kidei ki khot jong ka recruitment board lane ki bakam ba Kidei ki Pulit ki ban pentikna bakin la ban yarap ye ki ba Aplai kam ye ki ne ki exam la kalong ha ka physical efficiency test PET lane ki written test ne wat ha ki personal interview kumta oloong ban maham ye gito ki ba Aplai kam Pulit bakim dei ban ngop ha ki Briew ki ba shuwan penbej pat ki dei ban Husiar na ba kum kine ki Briew ba Thok kin sadon bej kumta dei ban Husiar bha.
I think our chairman has already mentioned that regarding this, like in some cases, like there will be some doubts, and some people, claiming to be a part of the recruitment board or Meghalaya Police, who will give assurances that they will help the candidates in clearing these exams, either in the PET physical tests, or in the written exams, or even in the interview. I would like to say on behalf of the board that please, all the candidates should know that please do not respond to such comments or such people also, because these are all fake. As far as CRB is concerned, as we have mentioned, at each stage it will be a transparent recruitment, and we will not allow such kind of people to take advantage of such. People are gullible in a sense that they are desperate, and they may even want to get recruited, and they may listen to such people, and at a later stage they may get duped by paying some money and all that. But we have had one or two cases in the last recruitment also, wherein some criminal cases have been registered against some people. Some arrests also have been made. So it is our appeal that please do not listen to such so-called touts and people, and please believe in yourself and believe in the transparent recruitment process that Meghalaya Police will be conducting.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center